Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you. My name is Promise Bale. I'm the CEO of Promise Recording Studio. I'm back again with a new tutorial on how to organize your VST plugins from inside of Cubase so that you can easily access your mixing plugins, your instrument plugins. You can separate all your drum instrument plugins, for example. You can separate all your piano instrument plugins, for example. You can separate all your synths on one angle from inside of Cubase, and it is quick and easy. Without wasting time, can we open and dash right into our Cubase? Alright, we are inside of Cubase 14 Pro. You can also do that on Cubase 5 or any kind of Cubase. Before we go right into it, you must acknowledge that some of the Cubase features differs, especially between Cubase 5 to Cubase 7 or 8 are a bit different from this particular Cubase between 12 to 14. So bear with me. If you are using Cubase 5, you need this tutorial more, because if you are using from Cubase 12 to 14, there is a search bar for your plugins, which is this aspect right here. You can search any plugins. For example, if I want to use let's say a guitar plugin, I can say okay, reverb, for example, and all the reverb plugins will just pop up here. They will just pop up right here. But on Cubase 5, you don't have that option. You have to screw and screw, especially if you have so many plugins on your system. It becomes a time-wasting device. Time wasting time, what do we do? You go to Studio. If you're using between 12 to 14, if you're using Cubase 5, it's a different thing there. I can't remember. You can come over to your plugin manager, click it. So this is mine, just can show a different interface. So first you need to do is to navigate to which particular angle you want to customize. For me, I always love to customize my VST instrument plugins a lot. So this is the default. As you can see here, it's on default. So what do I need to do? I click this plus sign and create the different folders that I want to create. So first of all, you have to know, you have to differentiate the different kind of instrument that you use, the ones that you are familiar with, that you want to customize. For example, I have additive drums, I have other drums plugins. For example, if I have more drum plugins, then I have to create a folder for that. If I have more keyboard or piano or grand piano plugins, I'll just create a folder for all that. So let's start with piano. So I'll click here and go to empty, and I'll name this piano, or let's say grand piano. So I'll click OK. I can see it is empty. So what do you need to do? Just scroll down to anywhere you have your grand piano plugin and just drag it in. That is it, as simple as ABC. So let me look for my piano. I think I have additive keys. Okay, so I will drag this in here. That's one. That one is added. So let me look for other ones. I also have I use some inside contact library, so you can just drag your contact library. This is EZ keys. I will drag it here. That's two. Okay, this is another grand piano. This three. Okay, I think that's for the grand piano plugin. So this one is created. Let me create another one for synths. So I'll go back to default. This is default. If you come over here now, you look at it here. So let me create another one for synths. So I will name this one synths. And click OK. So all my synths plugins, like all my Dune, for example, between Dune 1 to 3, we'll drag them here. Then Triton also, I use that for synths, and I have so many of them, but let me just do two for the sake of this tutorial. Let me add one more. I can see, let me add Triton. Okay, I think it's done. So if it's on default, this is how it will show. This is the default. So each time you want to select, you can just come over here and you see them. Okay, so I've done for my piano and I've done for my synths. You can do for as many as you want to do for. You can also do for your VST effects. It is the same process. You click here and add new collections, and you can separate all your reverb on one part, separate all your EQ on one part, separate all your compressors on one part. You can organize your folder, especially if you are using Cubase 5. So let's go and look for them on our plugin manager. I'll press F11, click right here, and you select the instrument and come over to this lower sign here and just go to, you can see, so if you have more, they will show. This is just, it's on default, so I can just put it on grand piano, and all my grand piano will show. I'll just click it and select the particular one I need, instead of scrolling and scrolling and scrolling up and down. All right, that is how to customize your VST instruments and your VST folders here and there to get a proper organized job. I know this tutorial has been helpful to somebody out there. If it is helpful to you, please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell. And also feel free to ask questions, or if you need me to do any other tutorial, please drop it in the comment section and I will see you around. Thank you. God bless you. Bye for now.